Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to install TwitterDeck application to your server. Zip the main file /web app folder. I've already zipped. Copy twitterdeck.zip file. And paste this file in your server host root folder. Here my root folder is www/td/. Extract the files. Now let's create a database. Open your application URL in browser. It will redirect you to the installation process. Enter database details in step 1. Enter Twitter consumer key and consumer secret here. Enter email address and email name. Click on Install and run. Your application is ready to use.